cheers, cheers, coffee, cheers.
Oh, cheers, yeah, of course, cheers.
And see, I didn't have any time to bake a cake, so a
Oh,
virtual,
wow.
a virtual bite.
Oh, this is so pretty. Yeah, thank you so much. This is so pretty. Merry Christmas again with cakes and
Mm.
croissants. So, obviously, I was going through your post, Karan. So, how was that
Mm.
tryst with the wasabi?
अरे यार, I'm really scared of wasabi यार. मुझे मुझे नहीं समझ आता यार actually. एक तो
हाँ,
firstly I don't know how to eat with that thing. You use the chopsticks and all. I've tried
yeah.
a lot of times, you know. I've taken tutorials, you know, from my younger ones, from Bella itself. But again, yeah, nahi aata. I don't know that finger thing and all. No, I'm really bad in doing that. And you have to be really
Bella, did
patient
you
with
did you
it.
teach him? Did you teach him
Yeah,
with the
I
like to eat
tried,
with?
but then he's very desi in that way. So
Huh.
I give up because he makes me
She was
so
calling very
embarrassed
desi
in
in
front
that
of
way.
every. Yeah, I mean he makes me embarrassed in front of everybody. So I'm like, रहने दो.
See,
तुम अपने हाथों से
it
खाओ.
Yeah.
it happens, yeah. जो चीज है ना, see, in whichever thing I'm comfortable, I enjoy doing that,
Hmm.
for example. So,
Hmm.
नहीं हो पाता, yeah. For example, I've seen people having biryani with forks or spoons. You know, man, you can't enjoy a biryani with that. You have to dig in your fingers to enjoy it.
Right,
Mushkil
right. Obviously, 2020, not, you know, nobody can boast of the fact that we've traveled so much because पूरा साल ही वैसे निकल गया है. But
Yes.
if you have to
yeah,
talk
हाँ.
about your favorite holiday destinations, I mean, something that you'd always look forward to going together, like again and again, what will be your all-time favorite?
Like as I said, we're totally different. So
Okay.
he likes mountains, I love beaches. So for me, it
Beaches.
would be Maldives, and I think for him, it's anywhere in the hills, Himalayas. He likes,
Throw me anywhere in Uttarakhand. Yeah.
yeah, he
It's
Yeah.
loves hills.
very close to my heart. So throw me anywhere in Uttarakhand. I just need hills and quietness. You know, cut off from the civilization, not cut off from the mobile networks, obviously, but somewhere in the hills. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah.
What do you guys do when the holiday season begins, like Christmas Day? What is it like?
I think this is the, I think, first
Well,
time.
shopping.
Arey Baba, she's talking about Borat.
I'm talking about. Firstly, I'm starting with you.
Okay.
Zara sale, Allo sale. What?
I
H&M
love.
sale.
What can I do?
Yeah, so I totally connect with her over that. I would also go for the sales, huh? So, but otherwise also, like, what is that family thing? What is the spirit like? So tell me, Bella.
So
You tell
this
me.
is the first time we are all together. Like
Hmm.
my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, Karan, Mama. So everybody is here together. Otherwise, what happens is like Karan was always in Mumbai as well as my brother-in-law, and me and my mother-in-law is always here alone. So this
Right.
is the first time that we all are together. Na to
And
bahut
what about the gifts? What about the gifts? I'm more
gifts.
interested in the gifts.
He gives me like valuable gifts, like memories. You know, we make memories. So what he'll do is he'll take me for a good trip. You know, a
Okay.
nice hotel. But
Hmm.
if I tell him to buy me these shoes or bags, he would never spend on that.
I am actually not into that material
Yeah.
thing.
So he will
Right.
ensure that it is
Yeah.
valuable. So I think I respect that.
Okay. Okay. So out of the two of you, who is that one person? हर couple में होता है. Who's that one person who would always be prone to giving utility gifts? Like होता है ना कि अरे घर में
मैं
गीजर खराब हो गया
I
तो मैं गीजर.
yeah, not too. I mean, everybody. कुछ ऐसा होता है. Definitely, I'm the person. Yeah, I come up with things कि it can be a help or you know, uh,
Hmm.
बहुत ज्यादा घर में इधर उधर कहीं पे. I actually come up with those things.
Whatever I want, I always tell him before कि I want this.
Okay.
So I give a list कि ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए.
Five
No,
choices.
then होता है जिसको
फाइव
five
फाइव में से दो चूज कर लो.
में से एक मिल जाता है.
अच्छा. And what about you? What kind of a gift giver are you? Like, how will you define the way you like gifting?
To Karan?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So for me, I think I love luxury. मतलब मुझे तो जितना अच्छा luxurious होगा ना चीज, I will gift him. Like a good hotel, or maybe a good trip, or
Yeah.
maybe a ring, or maybe a watch, or maybe I just gifted him a D&G jacket. So
Okay.
I think something of that which talks about fashion statement.
Right.
I'm totally opposite of it. Totally
He's
opposite.
totally opposite.
I mean, who cares? Seriously, yeah. Who
Huh.
cares? DNG
Hmm.
क्या है? Jacket is a jacket.
He's like
Bloody hell.
I got a personality तो मैं DNG के ज़ारा भी कुछ भी पहनी हूँ
Hmm.
तो वो
कुछ
तो
भी कैरी कर लूंगा.
लगेगा ना. हाँ, so I
Hmm.
think
Hmm.
that is a good point. But somewhere down the line होता है ना कि I like it so I do it. I
See,
mean,
Hmm.
my thing, until unless you're getting as a gift. Okay, spending
Right.
on it, my view, nope.
no.
Just
So
Hmm.
wearing,
if
just
I
spending that
ask
much.
him that I'll be gifting you this, तो कभी भी he would not let me buy that expensive gift because he says it
Right.
is of no use. It is all
Hmm.
materialistic thing. क्या फायदा है साथ में थोड़ा ना लेके जाना है. So and I'm like कि भाई अभी नहीं करेंगे तो कब करेंगे? In that case.
Hmm.
तो
That's
वो
nice. That's nice. I mean, it's to each his own. To each his own.
I mean, we both
Yeah.
are totally different. That's all I can, tell
Hmm.
you. I mean, अगर मुझे right पसंद है तो इनको left पसंद है तो, but I don't know how. I think there's only love which puts us together. So somewhere down the line, I compromise somewhere, and
Hmm.
No, sir. It's basically adjustment. What I
हाँ,
compromise is
I think a
it's
negative.
not a it's not a negative. It's not an apt word. People always
Okay.
this
Yeah.
compromise thing comes in every relation. I see everybody. What compromise, yaar? कुछ compromise नहीं होते. It's just an adjustment you do. If you
Hmm.
love somebody, if you like somebody, if you want to be with that buddy or a person, you just adjust, little bit tuning करना पड़ता है. That's it, and you get used to that person.
Hmm.
Simply, what
Correct.
I feel, yeah. And
So
apart,
Okay.
we divide in a year. कि अच्छा first 6 months whatever I wish to do, we'll do it. So next 6 months, I mean whatever he tells me, I have to do it. So I have no choice.
Hmm.
So I
Okay.
never liked trekking, but I had to do it because we went for a trek.
Hmm.
I think on my birthday. So he was like कि trekking करना है, and I'm like भाई मुझे नहीं पसंद ये सब, and then he's like करना है. So then I had to do it, but then over the period of time, I enjoy also.
and I hate cheese,
Hmm.
I hate cheese, but then also I have to go and bloody see that cheese.
Acha, then he clicks a lot of pictures
Mountains
also.
is totally different, yeah. Morning it's a different view, evening it's a different view. It's unexpected.
So, Bella or Karan, the more romantic one.
I think both.
Me.
I didn't know. I think both.
Me,
So
me,
I'll be the
me.
judge. Tell me the most romantic thing that you've done for Bella,
A
if you can
lot of
share it.
things,
Like.
a lot of things.
बताओ. See, he does not even remember.
नहीं, अभी
इतना
on
कुछ
the
करा है तो
spot,
याद नहीं आ रहा.
on the spot, ऐसे नहीं. But yeah, I mean, I am one of the more romantic. Capricorns are one of the more romantic persons. Yeah.
So who's the more mushy one? Romance तो एक तरफ है, but who's the more mushy one out of the two of you?
Say you.
You?
Acha.
मतलब who believes in more PDAs or who's more mushy? Is it Bella or is it Karan?
I think sometimes me.
Yeah,
But
Bella.
we're like little mature in that way. वो कर लिया है ये PDA type ना.
But I think girls get away with it also. They get away with a lot of things. And it suits them.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I think
Okay.
every girl likes it.
Yeah, I'm sure. Of course, yeah, of course. Okay, who is the more messy one, and who's the clean freak, or who's he's a messy one.
He's a big mess. I mean, if he comes back home, तो कपड़े, जूते, everything is everywhere, and I'm like, I just came back from work and कुछ तो थोड़ा सा तो साफ कर दो. So I posted one story also some time back where this was the first time he actually cleaned up his wardrobe.
Okay.
So I was like, this is a blessing.
See, I get very lethargic, कौन उसको pull, you just tie up that proper, make it in a proper way, a cloth or a shirt or a denim. I get very lethargic, yeah. I don't know why.
If he has to
Okay.
take out some clothes, पूरा ऐसे करके खींच लेंगे.
I don't have that patience, यार. वो पहले ऐसा उसको you just I like her selecting tack, then virtually ऐसा ऐसा.
No, I imagine my clothes. Okay, this is the
Save
theme
your
where
energy. Where I
be
save your
this way.
energy.
So I'm, perfect in every theme party or wherever we go. But ये तो मतलब कुछ भी उठा के he takes out ये and he's like I'm good to go.
But I love to have a clean washroom and a kitchen.
हाँ,
Those are the
that
two
way
areas,
is fine. But he's a very hygienic guy.
Huh. Okay. All right. So the next one. Who is the one to remember the days and who's the one to often forget them? Like all the dates and birthdays and
I
anniversaries.
think that way we both are, we remember our, special days.
Arey wow,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
nice,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
I
if
mean,
somebody were to
yeah.
forget it, if somebody
Huh.
were to forget it,
No, I
who
don't
gets
think
the
so.
more grief?
नहीं, क्योंकि what happens is मैं 6 महीने पहले से प्लानिंग करनी शुरू कर देती हूँ ना, तो even if he
Okay.
doesn't remember, he has to.
He has to.
He has no choice.
But it hasn't happened, never ever.
I think अभी वो
Touch wood,
fresh
yeah.
है, अभी still that spark is still there. Maybe over a period of time शायद, but अभी तो है.
No. I mean, obviously, it depends on a couple to actually keep it alive and keep it always
Yes,
funky.
Yeah.
100%.
So that's
You
always
need to
nice,
keep
yeah.
that spark. Otherwise, very boring it becomes.
Correct.
It's with not a relation, it's with everything, I mean, from a person to person.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
you should keep that thing alive, whether it's your profession, whether it's your passion, every damn thing.
Okay, the first thing that Karan needs when he wakes up in the morning and the first thing that Bella needs when she wakes up in the morning.
I think that way is also we complement each other because we have a warm water in the morning, which
Okay.
he also wants and I also need. And secondly, we need a black coffee.
That
Both of you.
also, it's, yeah.
Both of us. So we are so similar in that.
But Americano is
Strong.
incomplete.
For him?
No, it's incomplete without a newspaper.
I tell me about it.
New
This
newspaper.
my God. He has to read each and every news. And then he tells me, तुम्हें ये पता है? And I'm like, नहीं. तुम्हें ये भी नहीं पता है? And I'm like, यार, I'm updated on other things. ठीक है? I need to know.
First thing,
what's
I'll
happening in the world.
tell.
But
First thing in the
enough
morning,
is
warm water. That is.
Yeah.
Second thing in the morning, I need is my Americano and paper. She needs a cell phone, mobile phone.
So I actually scroll down.
And
What is happening? What is new trendy?
And I actually hate, that thing. I normally almost after waking up 2 to 3 hours after I read my paper, freshen up, then I just take my phone and see
And
what
that
is going
like
around.
2 hours.
2.5 hours after.
2.5 hours.
Which is, I mean, I can totally relate with it because I have a person who does that here at my house. So that is something that I can totally
Yeah, it's
understand
actually.
where you're coming from.
And he needs peace of mind. So if there are dogs or all the family members are there and they're talking, he goes to his room and locks his room and then he's like
Wants to be
don't
quiet.
disturb
Yeah.
me. Yeah.
But that's
Yeah,
the
wants
best
to be
thing,
quiet
yaar. I
to
mean,
you.
you
Yeah.
are actually reading a paper, I'm not a digital kind of guy when it comes to what's happening around the world, just check it on. ठीक है, कभी-कभार चलता है, but
ये
a
सब कुछ तो
paper,
मिल जाता है
no,
on social media.
a paper is a must, Actually,
More
I
classic way of,
believe it.
yeah.
More
classic way of
yeah,
consuming
yeah,
news.
yeah.
Yeah.
Your mind is there at one place. Then if you if you check it digitally, you checking out one thing, automatically one thing crops up, either a WhatsApp, either an Instagram.
Yeah.
So mind gets diverted into so many things. So that is the reason, I love to, and I love the feel of the paper. That is the best thing.
Okay, one thing that is completely opposite. मतलब Bella ने बता दिया है कि you guys are poles apart, but something that's completely opposite that you guys, one person cannot see eye to eye when it comes to that one thing, and one person loves it. ऐसा भी कुछ है?
Just now it happened. No. Just now it happened. She doesn't wipe the floor whenever after taking bath. She doesn't wipe the floor, and I hate this habit.
I clean your clothes, I clean your cupboard.
I hate this habit, Whenever I take bath, I love to wipe the floor. I love to wipe the washroom and all on the fan just to soak it up. That's a very important thing.
वाइफ वो थोड़ा सा गीला रह जाता है तो ठीक है यार.
Lot of things, yeah.
And Bella, do you have something similar? I mean, he got an example because
बहुत
of
है
you.
यार. अभी I can. She loves to have a food, has a food on the bed which I hate. Which I hate. That's a bad habit.
Well, I
And
was living alone, तो उस time ना nobody
Yeah.
used to be there. So in that case वो habit बन गया है. But अब
Hmm.
इतनी it's becoming cold in Delhi, तो मन नहीं करता यार रजाई से बाहर निकलने का. I hope you understand. You're from Delhi, right?
Yes, yes, I'm from Delhi.
And we live in Green Park, बिल्कुल directly, park सामने
Yes,
है.
yes.
It's like much colder here.
Colder. Yeah, yeah. Okay, who likes to be in the kitchen more than the other person, or who likes to
absolutely,
cook?
absolutely,
He
absolutely. Any day.
he loves.
Kitchen, my favorite
I think
place.
it's a stress buster for him.
I love it.
Really?
Yeah.
What is the best
Love
thing that he can make, Bella?
everything. Even from
Everything.
aloo ki sabji to a pizza to chicken, you name it. I think if he was not an actor, then he would have been a chef for sure.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
nice. How did you pick up cooking, Karan?
I used to see my dad, yeah. I used to see my dad. He was a fantabulous cook. Fabulous cook. I mean, in terms of the non-vegetarian food he used to make. And I used to love that process, him, opposite that gas burner, cutting his vegetables, लगाओ the tadka and all that stuff. I used to
Even he cut
love that.
vegetables
I mean,
so
that.
prim and proper.
And
I have to tell you,
see,
मतलब
cooking is nothing. The cutting of vegetables, properly cut, in that proper symmetrical shape. I love it,
it's
Like,
like
it looks
simple anything.
Wow.
when it's pleasing to the eyes, then only it's good. That's the
I think
first
the good
process.
presentation.
So
जो
Okay,
दिखता है वो
what is
बिकता है.
Bella's favorite food and what is Bella? What is Karan's favorite? What does he like eating
Karan's,
most?
there are a lot of things. Yeah, lot of things.
I mean, he likes Indian, mostly Indian, and he
Huh.
likes Mediterranean, I think. Yeah, he
Yeah,
likes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. Meditate, but
Okay, what
I
about?
can have hummus and pita every day.
Yeah, you can
Every
have
single day I can
Okay.
have it.
that. I make it very nice.
She only knows how to make
अरे यार
hummus.
इतना झूठ मत बोलो.
But very good hummus. Very good hummus. I've also shared on video also. Bella को क्या बनाना
Yeah,
आता
yeah, I've
है
seen
hummus
that.
बनाना.
Yeah, because he's a big critic. कुछ भी बना he's like इसमें ये कम है, उसमें वो कम है. You can ask my mother also, my mother-in-law also. At times also she also get frustrated because he's a big critic. ये इसमें ये कम हो गया, इसमें वो कम हो गया. भाई खुद ही बना लो.
I don't. It's yeah. I can't be. I have to be true to the food. Yeah. Normally I
Yeah.
can do the tarif. Yeah.
He
Or to a
never
five-star
But
knows.
hotel
if it
chef.
usually happens if a person knows how to cook, then he would also understand कि भाई इसमें मसाले कम है, ज़्यादा है, पके नहीं पके, so all that will keep happening. So since he knows how to
तो
cook, so
gesture
probably
matters
critiques
ना.
more. Yeah,
No, Greya, जो gesture matters. किसी
हाँ,
ने
that's
प्यार
true.
से बनाया है.
I agree.
थोड़ा
I
सा
agree. Totally.
appreciate कर दो यार.
I,
Nobody.
I didn't
इसमें
leave
ना
that.
ये बिल्कुल
I
खराब है.
didn't leave that Udaipur ka chef also. Lalit.
हाँ उसको भी मतलब
Lal Mas.
वो
सुना दिया.
A day, we were there, yeah. Lalit, Udaipur, a day prior, we had Lal Mas, and it was pathetic, yeah. It was pathetic to the core. Next day, I told it to the chef, yeah. I told him directly. It was pathetic, man. I've had good Lal Mas, And then he was like, "Oh, I'm so
Should I
sorry.
tell you something
Just give."
about? I'm sorry about people in Rajasthan, but I have to tell you one thing because it's so touristy and people keep going to Rajasthan and the Lal Mas is so overhyped. Like it's hyped to an extent that whatever. I have never had a good Lal Mas anywhere in Rajasthan, be it Jaipur, Udaipur, anywhere. So that's maybe it's because it's like too like people keep coming there. They don't know the taste and they can sell
Absolutely.
anything.
See, firstly, the main ingredient, when we are
मतलब
talking
मुझे ऐसा
about
लगता है.
food, and it's my favorite topic. To make
Yes,
a
yes.
good lal mas, see, half of the people क्या होता है, for them lal mas has to be red. But then also the main ingredient for a lal mas is mathania ka mirchi. Red chili from Mathania. Mathania is a village in Rajasthan from
Okay.
where they source
Okay.
those red chilies, So they are sweet in
Okay.
taste, but really potent in the color, red color. Potent in the
Okay.
red
Okay.
color. So that's the main ingredient. Without it, you cannot make lal mas. And the best lal mas which I've had was at in Amer. In Amer, there's a property by the name of Libua. Libua, they have got chains all over the world.
Yeah.
It's a 5-star property, Libua Lodge
Yeah.
in Amer. Next to Amer Fort,
Uh-huh.
I've had the best lal mas over there. I mean, the best lal mas over there. Otherwise,
Okay.
it was all, different flavor. Okay.
coming back to not liking things and all, out of the two of you, who has the worst temper?
I absolutely me.
I think
You
I'm
have the worst temper.
patient.
I have the I used but I used to have a worse temper, but again
Over the period of time
during
it
the
improved.
process of acting, I have toned down a lot. Yeah,
Ah.
acting actually makes you very patient as a person. Yeah, because from waiting for your shots, doing a thing so many times, again and again and again. So that process, I've toned down as a person. Yep.
नहीं
Okay,
for
okay.
me मुझे तो बिल्कुल गुस्सा आता ही नहीं है because I feel that क्या फायदा है it is for some time and then भूल जाते हैं.
And as you get mature, also, I've seen, mature also, you tend to, just learn from things, I mean, you did it all for, I mean, it was actually a waste.
There were so many fans requesting about you. When are you planning to come back to television? Are there any things in the pipeline right now? Any talks that are happening? What would you say to all the fans eagerly waiting?
I myself, I really want to get back to the screen ASAP, to be very honest, to be very genuine. Yeah. But again, I am, to be very honest, I'm not getting that right thing which, excites me. I mean, a right story
Yeah.
which excites me or something like that. If it's a daily soap, then it's a very crucial thing because it's a 24, I mean, almost 12 hours a day and 30 days in a month matter for me. So it's a
Yeah.
long process. I mean, especially a TV soap, the script has to be bang on, where I have to enjoy the process. So yeah, again, as I told you, still I'm getting the same things. And the television soaps are very uncertain nowadays. 4 months, 3 months, 5 months, the show runs and it gets off the television. So very uncertainty is there regarding the television soaps. So I am, to be very honest, I am giving auditions. Yeah, I am giving auditions to whichever web series and all I am being offered or asked to audition it. I am doing that thing. At the end of the day, apart from being an actor or something like that, I am a human being और इंसान का कर्तव्य और कार्य है कि वो कोशिश करे. So I am in the process. So
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So yeah, I am doing my best. Let's see. No.
And who's the fun one out of the two of you?
I think we both are funny in our own way. So
The timing and the ambience on the gathering has to be correct. I mean,
Okay.
our thing should be there. I mean, that the fun thing arrives, the fun button turns on. I normally I have to be very comfortable, in the gathering, the people. I know those people,
he's
either.
a little introvert, but if he is in his comfort zone, I mean, with
Yeah.
his people, then you have to see him. My God, he's a drama queen.
Okay. Why drama queen? I'm picking on that
He does
word. Drama
something or
queen
the
कैसे?
other. अरे बाबा, he does something or the other. मतलब what he'll do is he'll lie down on the floor. फिर पता नहीं कहीं ऊपर चढ़ जाएंगे. I mean, he
अरे
does
from having fun, yeah. I mean, you be yourself, yeah.
and
You
then
be
he
yourself.
does Govinda ka
From
dance.
doing
Yeah.
see, Govinda
Kuch bhi,
is
he
my
does
favorite dancer.
anything and everything.
From doing Govinda to doing Nagin dance and all to
हाँ.
doing everything. You enjoy doing that, because you be yourself, So what I believe, Otherwise, yeah.
Okay. From dancing to singing, who is the better singer out of the two of you?
Of course him.
नहीं, I
Of course, क्या है इसमें?
नहीं, I mean he's talented. I mean he's a
you are not a great singer.
नहीं पापा मेरे को तो बिल्कुल नहीं आता.
It's just what I feel.
नहीं.
It's just
But
you
he's
feel.
got a very nice voice. Even when I heard his voice for the first time on phone when we were dating also, I was like, wow, it's mesmerizing. कितनी अच्छी आवाज है. So I think and वैसे भी he's a very good singer. He sings a lot.
Normally,
You can sing if you want. You can sing Merry Christmas.
like last time when
Jingle bells.
when we were having a conversation, I sang one or two lines,
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. He did. But I want both of you guys to sing. Join in together along with your babies, very cute, adorable babies that you have over there. So, so please tell me what will be your favorite song that you guys like to jam on, and then we'll say bye.
All three of us, will sing. I mean, we'll sing the jingle, jingle.
Yes, let's do that.
Just
Okay.
jingle the chapter.
Okay.
हाँ, चलो.
1,
2. Hey, baby, come.
एक इनका फोकस में करता हूँ. फोकस है.
ये focus है.
Focus. Okay.
1, 2, 3, start. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming. Oh, bye.
Riding on a sleigh.
all the way. Jingle bells,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
That's
Santa Claus is coming along. Riding on its way. Yay, yay, yay. Ho, ho,
cute,
ho.
Oh, yeah. That was really nice, guys, and thank you so much for doing this. And that too, it is a beautiful, beautiful gift for all your fans who were waiting for this chat to happen, and that too on Christmas Day. So you officially there, Santa. So you made this possible, Karan. So thank you so much, and Bella, thank you so much for being part.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
This should be actually, Jokes About the World. Instagram live premiere, because it's the first time she has ever came live on.
Oh wow!
Yeah, this is my first ever virtual.
Wow,
Virtual. Apart from
so
official
sweet of you to
things,
do
she's
that
the
with me.
first
Thank
one.
you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys, and you have a very, very Merry Christmas and a beautiful, beautiful, and a happy, happy New Year.
Wish you the same to you and to your family as well.
Thank you so much, Riya, and
Thank you.
see you again in Chai Ka Cup for coffee.
Yes.
Coffee cup.
Coffee.
It was one thing. I'm thinking to invite you in the Coffee with Karan segment. I'll do a Coffee with segment.
Yeah. Yes. Coffee with Karan chalega. We'll do that. We'll do that soon. New Year's Day.
Chalo, for sure.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Take
Bye bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everybody. Take care.
Christmas. Bye.